discipline, you won't get far. Don't hesitate now. Don't hold back. Keep your mind focused and don't look down. Don't limit your destiny. Nobody owes you anything. You owe everything to you. If you don't put the work in, you will get nothing back. It's time to get up and go to work and be consistent with your life. How far are you willing to go when it comes to your goals? I'm tired, I don't feel like it, but I got to get up and do my work. Every day, keep going. Every day, be disciplined. Every day, don't stop. Every day, fight through it. Because none of us know what tomorrow will bring. Sometimes you don't need to do what you like to do. Do what you need to do. Trust in your abilities. When are you going to wake up and start moving forward? Consistency. We have to chase it each and every day of our lives. Consistency will take you further than your excuses. Stand up and be strong. If you can just go after it, even if you stumble a few times, nothing can stop you. Get up now and work. Mistakes will happen. Failure will come. And no matter how much you try to avoid it, it will still be there waiting for you. Just be able to see past all of the things that kept you down. Physical, mental, spiritual. Whatever that destiny is within you, go after it, people. Anything's possible. Work takes time. Patience is everything. Stop giving up and start going forward. You still got life in that body. Your heart's still beating. Your mind is still functioning. So you still got to do something to be somebody. To be somebody that they can respect. To be somebody that they can look up to. But you got to remain strong. And don't look down on yourself. And leave your mark. And maybe you won't make it. Maybe you won't get to the top of the mountain. Maybe you will fall a few times. Maybe you will fail from time to time. But you need consistency. You can say to yourself, I was consistent. I failed, and I failed again, but I was consistent because I didn't look behind me. I just kept going forward. I got to go after what I need to go after. I have a responsibility to myself, to my family. Get up now and push yourself. Yeah, it's true that some people feel like, hey, I worked so hard, how come I haven't gotten any returns? How come I got myself in a position where no one wants to pay me back? No one's gonna pay you anything. You owe yourself. Don't you dare say that you can't carry on. Don't you dare say that you're done. I want you to keep living. And I want you to keep looking up. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the time to be about the business. Make mistakes, learn from the mistakes, and do not allow the mistakes to hinder you. just remember one thing. You're just human. And you're gonna have some setbacks. And you're gonna feel like you don't want to go on. But that's when you turn up that discipline. Go after it. What does discipline mean to you? How do you obtain discipline? Discipline requires a significant amount of work, a significant amount of effort and patience. Not every day you want to get up and go to work. Yes, you need to go to work, but you have to have a disciplined mindset to do the job. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Don't limit yourself. How will they remember you? What mark will you leave in this world? Who are you? And what are your capabilities to shine? Consistency will take you further than your fears. Consistency will take you further than just trying. Discipline, do something with it. Because none of us know what tomorrow will bring. But if we put forth everything we have within us today, you just make sure, trust in it, believe in it, stand on it, never quit. Now get up now and attack. Because everybody got problems, everybody got issues, and nobody's got time for your mess. Everybody has to do work. Everybody has to do something. Have some sense of pride about who you are inside. And just have some discipline to go along with it. When you got discipline attached to you, when you have a disciplined mindset, nothing can stop you. Leave your mark. Life was given for a reason.
All right, boys, we're back. Everybody spam W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Amazing freaking week so far. Nothing changes. We're gonna freaking kill it, boys. I appreciate all the support that you guys show me in the chat. You guys are the freaking goats, bro. But yeah, man, we're gonna absolutely kill it. All we gotta do is just focus on what we've been doing. Focus on what we've been doing. Take our setups, and that's it. All right. We have a lot of holidays coming up, so that's something to keep in mind as well. It is Thanksgiving on Thursday, so markets could be a little choppy this week. That's okay. We're gonna focus on how we can take them as profitable as possible. Risking not too big this week. Just gonna be chilling. And just wait for our setups to come to us. So we'll go ahead and get started. Let's talk about yesterday's trade. We took a freaking sell position right over here. Unfortunately, price decided to retrace, or right over here, if I'm not mistaken. Unfortunately, price started to retrace here, never broke that high, and then eventually made the move that we were looking to get. I was going to call a re-entry somewhere over here in the morning. Once I saw this candle here close, I was thinking about re-entering the position right there, because once we started to get confirmation that this level wasn't going to break, I really wanted to sell it, but I didn't have enough time. Markets were moving a little bit quick in the morning during New York, but that would have been the freaking move. Extremely nice. I mean, at the end of the day, if we would have had a freaking 100 pip stop loss, we would have been fine, but we don't trade with the 100 pip stop losses. So we learn from that position and we move on. Then we caught a US 30 trade. Damn, I can't really even remember where the heck this US 30 trade was. Somewhere around over here at market open. We caught a quick sell position just to make that loss back. Got out full at TP1 because I was negative on the day. I just wanted to get that loss back, be break even for the week, and then move on. It was pretty much just this little 5 minute candle, boop, hit my TP, and then I was out. And then eventually we were actually thinking about taking buy positions as well. This was actually our TP1 was supposed to be a buy limit, but I mean, you can't get upset at a quick win, right? So we took that dub. Now we moved on to the next freaking day, which is right now. So let's go ahead and look at gold here. First thing I want to mention on gold is we took a freaking shit last night. If you guys remember, we were looking for buys above here, which actually would have hit our TP1. These buys right above these highs over here would have actually hit our TP1, and unfortunately, we didn't take that trade. I did mention to you guys that I was thinking about taking that trade. Unfortunately, I didn't take it because I didn't want to take 2 trades on a Sunday during London session. I wanted to make sure I had that other bullet for New York session. Because as you guys know, I really only give myself like 2 bullets. If I lose 2 trades for the day, I'm pretty much done. So unfortunately, we didn't take this trade. We probably should have taken this trade. Extremely easy setup. You get 30-minute candle closure. You start to get that push above, and then you have your level here that you're looking to target. Very clean trade. Unfortunately, we didn't take it. And then let's say you guys didn't take this buy. You wait for your no trade range confirmation outside the range. Now you can look to sell the position. So I mean, in terms of oil and gold, they've honestly been moving very similarly. If you notice, we get that push, then we get that pullback. We also get that pullback here on oil, and then we get that big drop, and then we get that big drop on oil. So they are kind of correlating right now, which is nice to see. This is something that we could use in our favor. But now we have to just find our ranges. So let's go up to the 4-hour time frame here and talk about what we can possibly see happening tonight. I already see a small no trade range, but we're gonna get our major levels here, which would definitely be this zone right here. And then definitely see this right over here. Beautiful. And then you definitely could see potentially this area right over here. And then maybe we can see a zone right over here. And of course, we're going to fix these zones up as we go down and up in time frames. If I do start to get, maybe a major level, look at this little zone right over here as well, which I kind of want to draw that out, but no need. Let's look at the hourly time frame though. On the hourly time frame, we get those peak throughs, which is what I don't like to see. I want to make sure that we have a buy position above these highs as well. So we're currently sitting within the no trade range. This will be your no trade range right over here. This will be your no trade range. Then you have your buy positions to come back up here. Maybe tap into these highs over here. So this will be potential buys. This will have to be risky buys, unfortunately, guys, just due to the fact that we are kind of pushing down with a lot of momentum. So remember, guys, we are looking to be on the side of momentum. So if momentum's telling me that we are going down, anything for buys would be a little bit riskier, at least for me to take. If you guys do see your buys, take your buys with confidence. You're going to learn more than just sitting here and doing exactly what I tell you guys to do. You're going to learn more by experience, so always keep that in mind. And honestly, I don't like this range to sell it at. So it's literally going to be a risky buy and risky sell type of day. Let's see here. Risky sells as well. Just kind of we're kind of at a little zone over here. So what I'm looking for, I'm really interested in trying to catch retracement buys tonight, possibly to come up and tap into 2660. We just got to see follow price what exactly it's going to do here, but this will be buys above a closure above this zone here. You guys can look for sells below underneath this level here. If we do start to get confirmations underneath that level, you could definitely start to see maybe a nice push that comes back down into this range, kind of how we saw previously. But you also have a smaller range over here, but you don't really want to trade this range right here. I think the nicest move you're going to get is possibly us bouncing from this level, coming up to this zone here, and then giving us a nice candle closure to then fill in this whole entire drop that we had last night. Let's just continue, and so that's it for gold. So I'm going to be moving gold into our watch list as well. And then oil, honestly, guys, I've had a freaking love-hate relationship with oil recently. I've literally I've been so flip-floppy with it that I don't even want to trade it anymore. Like, I've been winning one trade, losing one trade, winning one trade, losing one trade, winning one trade, losing one trade. Like, it's annoying, you know? Like, so maybe I shouldn't be trading oil. Maybe I should just stick to gold, GJ, all that stuff. So I don't know. We got to see what's up. So let's see. Let's just see how it's setting up here tonight. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are tapping into these lows over here, which is extremely nice to see. We have the lows over here, support, then we have our highs to come up here and tap into this area here, and then you have lows to come down over here as well. These will be the lows here, and then we have a small range over here, which I am going to draw, but on the lower time frames. Yeah, right there. If you notice, we are getting reactions at this level right here. Maybe even putting it just a little bit up just to get candle wicks instead of candle bodies in there. And then we're going to go down to the 30-minute time frame. Notice how on the 30-minute time frame we're peaking up. I don't want to see these peak throughs. I want closures above that zone now because it's clearly showing that it faked out before or faked out previously. So my confirmations would come up above that zone there. So if you're also noticing, we have this area over here, which is a smaller time frame range. This will be your no trade range. Risky sells underneath below this level here. We are currently at a major level here on the daily time frame. So that's something that I do like to see. Maybe if we can get a bounce from this daily level, but look at this massive daily freaking bearish engulfing candle. So what I really want to see is potentially a push to the upside, that we can definitely look to catch maybe above these highs here. I don't know why I really want to get retracements on these pairs. It might be something that has to do with how big these drops are, that we had very little retracement on these drops. So I think that's what's kind of giving me a little bit more of a buy side bias for gold and oil. So this will be your sells below over here, sells below potentially. Honestly, not interested in sells. I'm mainly interested in these buys, but where could we target if we do execute buys? Let's go up to the 4-hour time frame and see if we can find a nice level here. I'm thinking this level here, yeah, this level right here potentially could be a buy side target. We're getting reaction, tons of reactions at that level, so I'm definitely gonna draw out this zone right here, right there. And now we can potentially go to the hourly time frame, and now look how beautiful these ranges are. This is exactly what I look to build every single freaking day. You know, there's no need to guess with my strategy. All you really have to do is just follow zones, follow breakouts, and that's it. And then target your next zone, right? So right now we're currently sitting within this zone here. 30-minute time frame did give us a bearish engulfing candle. I really need a closure outside this range real quick. If I get that closure, I might be looking to sell it to look to target these lows over here. Probably look to target this area here first than anything. Not really gonna look to target these lows over here. But depending on the stop loss is depending on if we're actually going to take that position or not. Now, if we do get a buy side breakout over here, that's what I'm mainly looking for, to fill in these wicks over here. Maybe even fill up this candle and push through that zone to then get a nice deep retracement of this range. But the ranges here above and below are looking pretty nice. We have that 30 pip range to the upside, and then I'm pretty sure we have a pretty nice range to the downside, about a 40 pip range to the downside, which is exactly what I'm looking for. If the ranges are 20 pips, 15 pips, 10 pips, I won't be looking to take that trade. I'll wait for us to break that 10 or 15 pip range and then looking for confirmations outside of that range. But I'm always looking for at least 30 pips to be able to execute my position with confidence. So I'm actually going to be moving that over to our daily watch list as well. Nasdaq, I was looking at it earlier, and we're currently sitting like in this range here. But like I said, I do believe that Nasdaq just moves better during New York session. So I'll leave that towards New York session. I was really looking at this US 30 right over here. It's extremely nice. We're at kind of a nice level here. We can look for buys above here. We can look for sells below this zone here. So we're kind of in a big no trade range right now. So I do believe that once we break out of this no trade range, you should be able to get a pretty nice push coming out of it, and then a pretty nice trade to come out of it, right? So waiting for your zones here to break would be actually key. Where could you target if you do execute? We are at all-time highs, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we are at all-time highs here on US 30. So it's kind of hard to target the upside. But if you do execute some sell positions, I do believe we can get a retracement to come down within this range, coming down all the way over here. And maybe retesting that level before coming back up, because this move does need a major retracement, right? Because yes, we get a retracement from here to here, which is a retracement of this move, and then you get this retracement, which is a retracement of this move. But this overall move needs to get retraced, like on the daily time frame. Notice it should get retraced a little bit. Not saying it's gonna get retraced at this level here, but I do see the buy side opportunity as well. So buys above a closure would be somewhere up above this zone here. Yeah, up above that zone here, and then maybe some sell side breakouts to this level here would be pretty nice. So I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on this for the New York signals that I will be calling. If you guys aren't in my signals, bro, you're tripping, bro, seriously. But yeah, so then we go. So I might not move this over to my daily watch list just right now, not for London session. Maybe when I get off I'll move it. I know everyone's freaking scared as hell of BTC right now. Oh my god, we hit freaking 93K, whatever. Bro, some of you guys were telling me to buy Bitcoin all the way up here, bro. So I would be in drawdown right now if I took your advice, but it's okay. It happens. It's just speculation. I do believe that we can potentially get a pretty big drop here, hopefully to about 80K, and then I'll look to start buying it. All right. So nothing for Bitcoin and ETH. I do like Ethereum though. In terms of taking a trade for today, we could. I just don't like how slow crypto's been moving recently. Like, it's just a lot of 30-minute candles for me to catch my moves that I'm looking for. So I'm waiting for buys above here, and then it sells below this structure point here. Pretty simple. Sells below this point with confirmations, of course, of candle closures. I won't be taking any of these trades if I don't get any candle closures, just so you guys keep in mind. GJ, so somebody said earlier that GJ is flying, and from looking at it, it's not really doing anything right now. So I do believe that we can also what's the zone that I like to draw right here? This is definitely a level here. Yeah, I like that zone, and then I need a smaller zone. I do believe that we can maybe come a little deeper before buying up, maybe to this area here, and then looking for those buy opportunities. So GJ is just kind of in a weird spot for me. But we are retesting this little point right here. So that can slowly start to build our range that I'm looking for, which is right over here. Good reactions right there. Now this is a 4-hour time frame zone, so we could potentially see a move coming from the hourly time frame. Yes, right here, which you do get your no trade range setting up right there. This will be moved a little bit down. This was your no trade range. Now you're getting confirmations outside the range, but you have this area over here that you can potentially reject that, and you have all these levels here that I don't want to trade against until we start to break market structure. At least shorter time frame market structure, which you guys know, on the shorter time frames, on the smaller time frames, sorry, you have your lower highs, you have your lower highs, right, lower lows, lower highs, and then even on this market structure, you still haven't really broken out, right? Maybe if you want to classify this as your lower high and now you're breaking market structure, I really want to see like this level here and this level here get broken for me to actually be bullish and be able to catch a pretty significant move. Just from down here, there's very little confirmation that we're actually gonna, bounce at this level and break market structure to the upside. So I'll be waiting for the confirmations to tell me that, and then I'll look to execute. But we'll take a look. Maybe EJ sets up a little bit better. Let's take a look here. So let's do GBP USD. No, don't like that. GBP odd. No, don't like that. Euro USD is just a slow mover. Not gonna be trading that. Euro NZD. Let me look at Euro NZD on the 4-hour time frame. Euro NZD looks like it wants to freaking drop, to be honest. We have been respecting this level here. We left a massive rejection to the upside. We started to break out of our small no trade range, which I know on the lower time frames this is going to look like a no trade range, so I'll just go ahead and draw that out. And then we have this area here for our potential targets. We have our confirmation on the 4-hour time frame, and then we have our break and retest of that zone, which you guys see this is the no trade range right over here. Maybe drawing it just a little bit more up to get those reactions, and then this reaction over here probably looks a little bit nicer, but you get that break, you get that retest. Now you're starting to look to want to break these lows. So if you guys do want to take a trade on Euro NZD, it'll probably look something like this: 24 pips, looking to target your lows all the way down under here, and targeting this level here to then at this level potentially even push down, to be honest. Euro NZD does look a little bit more bearish to me than bullish. We do have this zone here that we are currently creating right now, but if we do start to break that zone, I do see some sell side potential over here to come down and tap into these lows. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. I'm definitely going to move this over to my daily watch list. I want to give this candle here, let it close, because we kind of broke these highs and we broke these lows. So I want to see that next candle come up and respect the highs, and then I'll be looking to take the sell positions below. I haven't traded Euro NZD in quite a freaking while, so we'll see how it goes tonight, you know. But if it doesn't want to set up for us, it can just go without us. But it is on our daily watch list for now, so we can go ahead and move on to Euro JPY, which kind of looks very similar to Euro JPY. They have been moving extremely freaking similar, so I'm not gonna be looking to take Euro JPY position here today. Why is this USD JPY in my crypto section? USD JPY bounced beautifully off that level of support on the 30-minute time frame and the 2-hour time frame and the hourly time frame. Gave you a nice confirmation, but it's just very choppy, right? We have chop over here, and chop over here, which I want no parts in this. All right, so we move on. Maybe you guys can look for potential targets. If you guys are looking to buy Euro NTD, you could potentially look for targets to come up and tap into this level here. But if you guys are looking for sell positions, you would want to break this whole zone right here, right? You don't want to look for sell positions anywhere above these zones, although some people do trade with retracements, which I completely understand. But waiting for your retracements to come and then waiting for the breaks is what's really going to confirm it for me personally and my strategy. So always make sure that you can look to target these levels here, but you need that confirmation of us breaking lows and not respecting lows. Once you guys can start to look to break lows, then you can get some pretty nice pushes coming from that level. All right, so BTC, just take a look at BTC. I was actually looking to buy BTC somewhere around this area here when I saw this big rejection over here, but we never broke these highs over here, so I didn't take that trade. But that was a little in the early morning. But thank God I didn't take it. I probably would have taken that loss as well. So move on to right now, which we are kind of sitting in this nice little zone here that I do want to see, but I want to see a breakout above here for me to look for those buys. Just selling BTC right now is going to be a little bit sketchy because we do know that the impulses are coming to the upside. So I don't want to get caught like being in a sell position and then getting that impulse to hit my stop loss, right? So just something I keep in the back of my mind when something is extremely bullish or trending very bullish. Try to stick to the trend always is probably the best way for you guys to avoid losses and not feel so upset when you hit stop loss, because you know your overall take profits would have been hit, or you manage your risk correctly by not staying in the trade. All this type of stuff is what's going to maintain your psychology in check. Whenever people start to tell you that, oh, you're just gonna win every single freaking trade, bro, just run away from them. There's things that you can do in losing positions that'll help maintain that psychology and that confidence behind your strategy, because what a lot of people tend to do is that they want to just win every trade, right? And if they lose a trade, they take it as a loss and not just like as a lesson, bro. Like whenever I take a loss, like I look to learn from it, I look to see what my mistakes were, and then I look to just be better from it, right? Like that's why you will very rarely see me holding my head over taking a position or taking a loss because of that, bro. Like I just look for a potential move, and then I make sure I'm aligning myself with my strategy and my plan, and then my risk is also correct, and then that's pretty much it. Dollar, you saw the 225 on Apple Cash. I thought it was Zelle. But yeah, we'll take a look, bro. I'm on stream right now, so I won't be looking at it until I'm out of here. But I'm pretty sure if it's Zelle, you probably sent this to my girl. But yeah. So this is definitely playing out, but no confirmations, right? We just got a freaking nut to the downside. So what we need to do is wait for our 30-minute closure in order for us to take this trade, which we're about to get the 30-minute closure right now in about 6 seconds here, which is not a bad closure. I do want to see a rejection to come back up here and maybe tap into this area here. So waiting for a rejection of this level would be key, because that way, if you do start to break these lows, you can use that as your stop loss. But most likely, momentum is picking up here, possibly just going to push down here. But where am I going to put my stop loss? I don't want my stop loss just above these highs over here, which is still 72 pip stop loss. Not my cup of tea, but you guys can execute it if you guys do want to take that trade. For me personally, I'll be sitting out of that and waiting for oil here. I'm trying to get my get back on oil, man. We could maybe see, I do want to get a closure underneath my red line here. If I can get a closure underneath that zone, that'll be good for me to go. Maybe even just an impulsive breakout below these levels here could definitely play out. I just want to see how big this freaking stop loss is. Let's say if I do, so about 26 pip stop loss, 29 pip stop loss. Stops to break even somewhere around this area here for sure. So maybe we try our luck here again with some oil sells. That might be nice. What about GBP JPY? Flying or no? You can just buy and sell, Elias, and then you will win. You know what I mean? Well, you won't lose, so it's probably the best way to freaking do it. I'm just kidding. But yeah, you kind of got your confirmations coming out of this level right over here with this 30-minute candle closure. You put stop loss below. You should be already in this trade if you're looking for buys. But for me personally, I don't look for buys if we have broken lows, and we've broken these lows right over here. So we're still respecting lower high structure, which is right here. So until we break these levels here, I won't be giving any ideas on this trade, right? Because I don't want to risk your guys' money if I'm not even going to risk it on the setup. So if you guys do want to take buys, now is your opportunity. Maybe waiting for a small pullback, because we do have a lot of bullish candles here that you could definitely see a pullback coming back down to this area here, and then maybe getting that confirmations to come up here. But you kind of have to be patient with this one, bro, because this can just be your lower high formation to push down. Don't mean to scare anyone, of course. Like, there's no confirmations of this creating a lower high right now. As of right now, you're breaking out of your no trade range. Maybe waiting for a pullback to come back and tap into this area would be your nicer trade, because then you execute somewhere around here and then you put your stop loss here where it should be, rather than executing here and then having your stop loss here when price can retrace into that range and then still give you that move that you're looking for. So if you guys do want to take a position, I think waiting on GJ, still very early in the session. London session's not even open, so just waiting is the best bet here. I'm going to be paying a close attention here on oil, and because I do feel that oil kind of did me dirty yesterday, so I want to get it back. And that's not like a bad thing, because I'm going to still wait for my confirmations. It's a brand new trading day. I'm not trying to get it back on the same day. But whenever I lose on a pair, bro, especially how oil's been to me recently, it's been so flip-floppy and freaking annoying, dude. So I'm here to make a freaking change. All right, we're going to wait for our confirmations outside the range and then execute the positions. I also noticed I did something wrong yesterday. Where did I execute? I'm pretty sure I executed like down under here. But yeah, okay. So we definitely made a mistake yesterday by executing up above resistance, right? So remember what I told you guys, whenever we're trading outside of ranges and stuff like that, you want to make sure that you're breaking the zone, right? And if you're noticing right over here, I might have had this zone here drawn out, which is understandable. We had those highs here. But now looking at it in hindsight, I know why we rejected this zone, right? Because we have that area right there that's literally holding price here to at least get a small retracement. So and I also did notice that we were kind of in this channel as well, so I did know that as soon as we broke out of that channel, it might have been a freaking wrap. So I mean, hey, we learn from our mistakes, and then we know, hey, don't do this shit again, and then you won't lose. It's that simple. Not saying that I will never make that mistake ever again, because it is trading and I'm only human, and we tend to learn from our mistakes, but we can't eliminate losses. We just have to minimize them, right? So losses will still be a part of the game, but as long as I keep a mental note of what I did yesterday that we shouldn't do today, move on. US 30 this morning was an absolute freaking banger of a trade, though. It was literally a 3-minute trade. People had about 5 minutes to set their sell stops. I love those trades, bro. You guys know that I love trading when price is moving fast, quick, straight to take profits, or straight to stop loss. Like, I don't want to be sitting in a position for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, and then just watching that shit just flip up. I really, really hate that. So whenever I get quick 5-minute trades like that, I usually just close and move on with my day. Today was a very busy day for me too. I literally, yo, what's up? There's 166 people in here and only 49 likes. What the hell is going on, bro? That is not cool, guys. Not freaking cool. Bro, this freaking office be getting so hot. It's actually insane. Like, I need to buy like a little freaking I need to buy like a little fan here. Let me put some música. But how was your guys' trading day yesterday, boys and girls? What about your future pipeline? Can you please break down US 30 trade? Yeah, sure, I could. It was literally a 5-minute trade, chat. We'll go to the 5-minute time frame. It was literally this trade right over here. What I was looking at on the 5-minute time frame is every single time that US 30 comes up to this area here, or not this specific area, but once we start to break out right before market open, usually you get a deep retracement at market open, which was our position. We sold right over here, stop loss right above here, and then price came down all the way and then literally tapped in our take profit and then just flipped bullish. We were looking to take buy positions, but I pretty much just looked at it and we classified this as a fake out. Sell stops right below here, stop loss right above here. So we're still taking it with confirmations, even though it is on the smaller time frame. We were waiting for it to confirm that we were going to break these lows with stop loss above here. And now we can actually look to take that position. But it's a very simple trade, bro. Nothing really out of this world. Nothing you guys haven't seen me take in the past. Looking at it here on the 15-minute time frame, just notice we have a bunch of bullish candles. You know, usually you can definitely get a retracement at open. I didn't wait for my no trade range on this one though. Maybe if I would have waited for a no trade range, maybe, you know, when we came up here, started to look for this little trade over here, that would have been nice. But I was really interested in buys, so that's a big thing that I switched my bias a little bit because I saw that confirmation early on in the session. Maybe I could have waited and, you know, I would have actually caught a buy position coming from this area right over here. This was going to be our buy limit because we were expecting a pullback. So if the pullback's going to come, where is it going to come to, right? It's most likely going to come to this area over here and then looking to buy back up from that zone. And then we would have had a buy limit right there, stop loss below here, and then looking to catch that overall push. But pretty simple. I kind of, maybe I shouldn't have. I was kind of flip-flopping here and there. Just kind of indecisive, but it happens, right? It freaking happens. So we hit TP1 in like literally 5 minutes, and it was absolute freaking beauty. Right at open too, bro. And you guys know how crazy open gets, so. And you guys know that I really don't like to freaking trade open that much. So shout out to anybody who is in this risky sell on Goldilocks over here. Shout out to all you guys. I'm really waiting for this oil trade, bro. I'm really debating setting some sell stops here. Might be a market execution here today. But sell stops below these lows do look pretty nice to me. Keeping stop loss above either this candle here that we're currently forming, most likely going to be above this candle here. Stops to break even somewhere over here. Looking to target this area over here. We might need a smaller stop loss to target that zone, but we'll see exactly when that entry does come, and then I'll keep you guys posted. How's Texas treating you, dollar? My girl and I are taking a trip to Houston in January. Oh shit, bro, I might be here in January. Oh no, I might be in Colorado, bro, depending on what week you're gonna be here. But January is usually when I go snowboarding and shit. So if you are here, bro, I'm down to grab a little drink and we'll hang out. But yeah, guys, we gotta see what's up. I think that we get maybe a push to the upside here to come up and tap into these highs. Potentially here could definitely see a nice move. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel, make sure you guys are subbing up right now. We go live every single day for you guys. And can we hit 100 likes like right now, please, guys? Let me hit 100 likes, man. Do it for your boy, man. We're about to be in this freaking gold oil trade. And yeah, I think I deserve it. What do you guys think? Well, if you guys don't like it, then I'm guessing that you guys don't think I deserve it. This is a sell, chat. This is low-key a fucking sell. Give me a second here. This is looking a perfect entry too. Do I want to enter? Do I want to enter though? Loki gotta react right now. I kind of really do like this sell right now. Stop loss right above those highs. I kind of really do like these sells right now, but I don't want to rush it either. Let me just get these signals ready though. Let me get these signals ready here. Yo, does anybody have a faster way of freaking writing signals, bro? Because if you guys do, bro, there's a lot of money for you guys to be made. Because, bro, I'm pretty sure every single freaking signal provider hates doing this, bro. Okay. Yeah, you know what? Let's just go ahead and sell this bitch right now. That's what I'm going to do. Selling now. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I got it a little bit late, though, right here. Stops to break even will be somewhere around this area here. If we can push down deep within this range, that would be ideal. But that's beautiful, man. Stop loss is still above here, though. So we'll look to move this a little bit more down here. This will be the trade. Sorry, guys. I know that some of you guys probably didn't have the chance to get in on this one. At least maybe not the correct entry, but sometimes price puts us in drawdown here, so I wouldn't execute too deep within this range. Maybe wait. I mean, we were looking for entries over here as well, so you guys could execute now. You guys will just have a bigger stop loss. But remember, our goal is just to get right here. If we can get right here, we're winning. So the goal is to get right here. Once we freaking get right there, then we just hold the rest of the positions to stop loss, to entry. Did you send every trade? Yes, I send every single trade in the signal room. And we also trade New York session, which is one of the perks of being in the signal room. Let's say if we do lose on stream, you'll definitely get a signal for me during New York, and then we usually get it back on New York. So if you guys want the results that I get and the results that you want, you have to take all my trades, right, in order for you guys to see that. No, bro. Any challenge account, guys, I do not trade. Your challenge accounts, if I am passing your challenge for you, I do not touch them. It's a robot, and there's different groups for each challenge. Like if you're on FTMO, there's a robot for the FTMO challenges. If you're on Paradise, there's a robot for the Paradise accounts. We have to have different trades going on every single challenge in order to avoid getting violated. So always keep that in mind, guys. All right, let's see if oil will be nice to us today, chat. Wasn't too nice to us last night. But we'll see. The feds is watching, niggas plotting to get me. Will I survive? Will I die? Come on, let's picture the possibility. Giving me charge. Lawyers making it grip. I told the yeah, we're in. We're in. I literally said we're in, and I sent the signal and everything. But guys, that's why I tell you guys, like, I really like these cells. I really like these cells. I think I'm going to execute these cells. And then I say execute the cells because sometimes it just moves a little bit too quick. But that's why I kind of like to tell you guys, like, as I'm thinking about taking the trade, I like to keep you guys posted on that. I understand that sometimes the markets just move, man. So, not best, like, good cushion alcohol. To the day I fall. Yo, what's good, my boys? What up, King? No, no, baby. I really want somebody. And fuck who I don't. I really want to make you mad. Yo, what's good, Brandon? Made back half the loss though with what? Just lost a gold trade? What, you were in buys, bro? I feel you, bro. Like, this candle definitely faked out a lot of people. You're definitely not alone on that loss, brother. I'll be right back, Chuck.
Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want, man. This what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the brightest.
Yo, Chad, do you guys like Diet Coke or regular Coke? Put a 1 in the chat for Diet Coke, put a 2 in the chat for regular Coke. Bro, I swear to God, if oil cooks us again, bro, like, I'm never going to trade U.S. oil ever again. You guys can quote me on that. Like, the last 2 weeks with fucking U.S. oil has been so annoying, bro. I was looking for these sales on Euro NZD. Never really gave confirmation though. Coke Zero? Healthy soda from Whole Foods. Is that even a thing? Is there something called healthy soda? Yo, don't fuck with me, dude. Now the 30 minutes bullish, bro. I'm debating even closing here, bro. Ollie Pop? I've never even heard of that. I guess I only like unhealthy soda. I've never even heard of that. Poppy soda? This shit? Oh wait, I forgot I had this. This? Bro, facts. Not to the downside, hopefully. But I don't know, bro. The way I've been trading on oil recently, I wouldn't be surprised, bro. But if I do lose this trade on oil, I'll be done trading oil for at least the whole entire week, bro. Chat, what do you guys do for Thanksgiving? It tastes like shit. I mean, bro, everything unhealthy like tends not to. Anything healthy tends not to taste good. I'm just gonna say it for all of us, chat. Get rid of oil for good. Yeah, I'm about to buy a Tesla, chat. If I fucking lose this trade, I'm gonna buy a fucking Tesla and sell all my gas cars. Cause fuck oil. I'm gonna make a flan on Thanksgiving. Yo, I love flan, bro. My grandma who passed away makes the best fucking flan. Wait, where you at? Because my family owns a restaurant. Well, not my family. Like, it's like my second family. It's like my dad's cousin's husband owns like a restaurant. And, bro, they make the best flan ever, bro. Traders are lonely. Yo, facts. I mean, bro, it is a pretty lonely freaking game, man. Like, we don't get to go to work and socialize and shit. That's one thing that I don't like about. I mean, like, it's nice when you're like an influencer as well, I guess. Cause you meet like other people in the trading niche. But like, if you're just a fucking trader, bro, like, it's gonna be hard meeting people. Like, you gotta go to like social clubs and shit like that. I'm gonna make a pumpkin flan. Sheesh. Yo, chat, who's fucking with the music right now, though? Baking soda. With the cocoa. Yeah, do you guys... You're going to the strip club on fucking Thanksgiving, dude? That has to be some sort of like sin or something. Bad and bougie. Savage. Ruthless. Oh, yeah. No comment. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Roof. Loose. Chat, my headphones get here tomorrow. So, we're about to be bumping on here. Pull up and goes. I just got Beat Studio Pro, bro. I was like, yo, why do these people have the best name in the game? Maybe because they're reliable or some shit. They're not that expensive. Cause, bro, I'm telling you, I bought these for like $400, right? Wireless, all nice, beautiful. They lasted 6 months. I bought my Astros, A50s. I bought them for, I think it was like $350 or some shit like that. They broke in under a year. So I'm like, okay, let's go with the cheaper model. Let's go with Beats Pro, which has a good name in the space, and let's see if they're more reliable. You know, because I guess when you spend more money, I guess you don't get a better product. You know. It's a fucking. I like Bang and Olufsen. No, bro, I got regular Beats, chat. I know some of you guys are gonna flame me for that, but I gotta test them out, bro. They were like $350. Actually, they were like $300. Which I probably should have waited, bro. But there's Black Friday deals. I probably should have fucking waited. AirPod Max is on sale now on Amazon, $400. Works amazing. But they're on ear, no? Apple Mac. Yo, I remember. How much were the AirPod Maxes when they came out? No, bro, they're $400. What are you talking about? Oh, the old ones. Yeah, the old ones. They have a little safe 27%. Yeah, I don't know, and they look uncomfortable as fuck. Chat, who has AirPod Maxes? Rated on 1 through 10. Boys. BTC pumping? Bro, BTC is not pumping, chat. Dude, this guy's like hoping it pumps. Pumping down, bro. Beats are the darn boy of the industry. They sell you the dream for a few years and stop working and take all your money. Nah, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. Yo, why is this setup looking exactly like we were looking yesterday, bro? I don't like this. I feel like this is the exact things we were looking at yesterday, bro. Yo, Max. Yeah, facts, Brandon. If it gets to 73K, we buying, bro. We buying again. But I'm thinking 80K first, though. 80K, I'll probably look to start buying again and then move on. London session's open here, though, chat. We're either gonna get fucked or we're gonna win. So get your buttholes ready. 30-minute close. Close bearish, but it's setting up just like yesterday, bro. Why is it doing this? Like, weak candle closure at open, and then this candle. So let's just hope that this next candle isn't a bullish engulfing, bro, because I think that'll do it. Let's see what happens, though. I used Sony headphones for 2 years. Yeah, bro, I'm telling you. I don't know, bro. Steel Series is a piece of shit. Astro A50s are a piece of shit. I don't give a fuck what anyone says, to be honest. Like, they're honestly terrible. Bro, I'm actually even thinking about fucking closing, bro, because I don't like how this is doing this to me right now. Like, I don't want to get fucked over by open again, man. Seriously. Why is this? Hold up, chat. I gotta do something here real quick. Give me a second, chat. Cause my shit's lagged. Why is it doing this? Why is my shit not? Okay, no, we're good. I fixed it. Bro, are you serious, bro? The same exact thing that happened last night, bro. We get a weak-ass bearish close at fucking market open, and then we're going to get a bullish engulfing, and we're going to fucking lose, chat. Maybe I do need to cut it. Maybe this is a sign, chat. Nah, it's fine, chat. I'll be down negative 1% for the day. I really don't give a shit. I'm not going to cut it. What the fuck is this? No, we're not doing this. What is this music, man? No, I'm not gonna get out, chat. I will lose this fucking trade with happiness. I don't care. This is the... And if I lose, I'm just gonna retire oil, and that's it. I'll literally delete oil. Never look at oil ever again. Bro, we're looking at... Bro, literally setting up just like yesterday, bro. I deserve to lose this trade, though. And if we do lose this trade, chat, most likely we'll wait until market open to take our first position on each and every day. But we're not bullish until we break highs, so we'll see, bro. We'll see. Still very early in this. Oh my god, bro. Still very early in this hourly candle, still. So we just gotta fucking bleed, bro. Let's look at the lower time frames. Yeah, lower time frames look like they're gonna fucking cook us, chat. It's setting up just like yesterday, chat. If you guys want to get out, you guys can get out. And if we come back to my entry, maybe re-enter. But that's up to you guys. And gold is dropping. Oil's buying. I don't fucking get it. It's setting up just like yesterday's, though, chat. So if you guys want to save some money, just get out now. The pre-London trades, I don't think they're it right now, man. Bro, what is up with this music, though? Maybe you violate rules, no plan? What? No, I definitely didn't violate any rules. I definitely have a plan. Bro, I've been trading for 5 years, bro. You really think I don't have a fucking plan by now, buddy? Come on, man. We're gonna win this fucking trade just because you said that. Just because you said that. Bro, Durska, just get out of my trade if you don't like it. You're literally at break even right now. Get out of my trade. I don't even want you in it, buddy. Bringing all that bad juju, bro. On the weekend. Oh, you lost your chance. You lost your chance to get out, Durska. Now you're fucked. You're fucked with me, buddy. Good shit. Good shit, Selma. You see? Take initiative, bro. Take initiative. Now watch us win, bro. Now that we got the doubters out of the trade, now we're gonna win. I'm just kidding. I really don't like this trade until we're bearish, honestly, you guys. So if you guys do want to save your money, just get out, bro. Watch me lose or watch me win. It's up to you guys. But yeah. On myself, you used to. Negative 5 pips plus 20 pips on gold. That's beautiful, Selmo. Good shit, man. Check gold. Gold is just chilling in here. Look for buys up above here. I gotta really pay attention to this oil trade, though. I mean, not really, bro. Cause if I wasn't on stream, bro, I most likely would have just turned off my computer and just woke up to whatever the fuck happened. I'm currently down 1.7k. So, trust me, I know. I know we're down, chat. I know. You don't have to come here and fucking tell me. But watch us fucking win, dude. Just watch us win, bro. Now that we got the doubters out of the trade, we're about to fucking rip right now, chat. Watch. Sometimes the markets, you know, the markets just wait for somebody to talk some shit and then make the move, you know. Reject order block. Fuck. Don't be doing that, bro. I did that yesterday on GU Cells. I was 3 pips away from TP and got stopped. Only thing I sometimes hating about falling asleep. Yeah, I definitely feel that though. Cause maybe you would have gotten out, you know. Like maybe you saw some signs there that we could reject. Stop being sensitive. Chill out. No, I'm not sensitive, bro. Durska. Brother. Look at what you said. You said, let's see. You said, maybe you violate your rules with no plan. When have you ever seen me trade with no plan? And when have you ever seen me not follow my rules? I need you to name 2 times I've ever done that. The answer's never, buddy. This trade isn't against my plan or my rules. 15-minute candle close below. No trade range right here. Fake out to the upside. Bearish engulfing candle on the 30-minute time frame. Breaking lows. I should be in this trade. Whether I win or fucking lose. Whether I win or lose. And then that made you feel some type of way. That made you feel some type of way, bruh. But it is setting up just like yesterday, chat. Not gonna lie, dude. Durska might have a point, chat. Durska might have a fucking point here. Yeah, I trade live, bro. It's constructive criticism. No big deal. Chill out. Okay, who are you to give constructive criticism? That's the real question, buddy. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna leave it at that, chat. On Tuesday. This is pre-recorded, yes, Sirski. Henry, you got this, brother. We need the club to go down, Drake. Come on. Club going down. We're fucking bearish on the weekend. Yo, I should do a pre-recorded stream and see if you guys freaking notice. The thing is that I'm always talking to my chat though, so it'll be pretty easy to notice. Time. I'm doing great. One last. I appreciate the support, man. Yo, hold up. Let me call a friend here. I'm calling a friend, bro. This is like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Yo, what up, Jade? How you doing, brother? When are you coming back to Miami? Never. No, I'm kidding. My family's still out there, bro, so. Bro, my friend didn't answer, chat. That's crazy. I'm not even trolling you. I know, bro. I'm just kidding, man. Chill out, bro. I'm just kidding, Durska. I appreciate the support, Durska, for real. I know you show up every fucking day. Here, I'll make you mod, bro. I'll make you mod, alright? You're the boy, you're the boy, you're the boy. Fire the friend. Yo, facts. I just wasted my whole ass call. Now I don't have any more calls left. Call a friend left. It's hoodie season. Facts. We got that bearish wipe down candle on the 5. We coming down. We got the bearish wipe down candle, chat. We're fucking good. What is a bearish wipe out candle? Get a payday. And vacate. Yo, this song is so fucking hard. Oh, look, my friend is calling me back. Yo, I'm on stream. They hear you.
What's good?
Bro, why is this looking exactly the same as yesterday, man?
You're in oil again?
I'm in oil again.
Let me see. My ass just got out the sauna, but let me see.
And I'm in oil cells again. And I got in before market open. Same exact shit, bro. Same exact shit. And then the 30-minute
Wait,
close.
what's your entry?
Where I'm in drawdown right now. 69.
Bro, you're in drawdown by like 2 pips. Oh, 5 pips.
Yeah.
Stop loss.
I was in drawdown like
28.
10 pips though. Stop loss above
Oh,
the
but
high,
you have
bro.
stop loss at the high of the day.
Yeah, but dude, the problem is, Danny, is that it's setting up just like yesterday, bro. We had a weakness in the fucking 30-minute candle right before market open. Weak ass 30-minute.
The only thing that scares me about that trade is the 30 minutes looking like a head and shoulders. But
I know.
if we fail to break those highs, which is your stop loss, but we're gonna see. If we're being honest, I'm gonna hop in this trade actually.
Really? That's a good sign.
Bro, yeah, because look at the. So we just broke a support, and what that was, the high is the retest of it. Like on the hourly.
I know.
You see what I'm looking at?
Yeah. But we'll see, bro, because
So
this shit's literally looking just like yesterday, bro.
Oh no, my 4 hours, but nah, I'm definitely hopping in the sun right now. Jim fucking sells. Let's go.
Oh my god. Alright, well, maybe I might have just fucked you over, to be honest, because this shit's ripping.
No, that's fine. I have the same stop loss as you. 30.30 is my stop.
Alright, maybe I shouldn't have called the friend chat. I just got him in the fucking trade, god damn it.
Well, you were expecting me to say that it's gonna buy?
Yeah. Yo, GBP USD sells though, chat, for sure.
I don't see buys, bro.
Do you see GU sells?
No, look. I love Euro New Zealand sells.
I was looking for Euro New Zealand sells underneath the 79.270.
Yeah, that's a setup that I'm looking at. And you said GU? Bro, I'm not even gonna look at GU. Are you kidding me?
Yo, GU's so beautiful though.
I'm not looking at GU. I just hopped in oil cells and I'm waiting on Euro New Zealand.
Alright, well, let me know if you take Euro New Zealand.
Alright.
Alright, that about it. Thank you. Peace. GJ faked out? No, GJ never broke out, chat. I literally told you guys, bro. We can still get the buys though. Bro, I need a big ass rejection, bro. I mean, I just don't like this fucking dude. I don't like that we're coming up, man. You need just nobody. I'm really on you. No show. Oh. I know, bro. I know, Royal. I'm thankful for you, dollar. Thankful for you too, Carlos. I'm not thankful for this fucking oil bullshit I'm in right now. Somewhat here and there, one left. What the fuck? The la. Yeah, this shit might be cooked, chat. I don't like how this is setting up at all. Maybe Derska was right, man. Constructive criticism needed. Yo, oil has been so annoying recently. We're most likely gonna come up and break the highs, bro, to be honest. If we start trading above this high here, we're most likely gonna come up and break the highs. Looking at the 30-minute time frame and the hourly time frame, dude, like we're engulfing this. After a 30-minute bearish closure at open, engulfing, I never want to see that, bro. Note to self, chat. Wait for market open and then sell below lows, because that would have saved me here. Because if you notice, price does have that bearish candle closure, but we usually sell below below this here. Maybe I probably wouldn't have taken this trade, but if we were to break this low, then that would give me confirmation that price can actually bleed lower. But we'll see what happens though. No, I'm not gonna close shit, bro. I deserve to lose. And I want to give that stop loss a chance, bro. Even though it's looking very bad right now, I still want to give it a chance. 30 minutes about to close so bullish, though, man. Not good. Was I thinking? We need to be made. I got money, got it up. You guys can close 50% if you don't like it, but I'm risking only 1%, chat. There's no point in me closing half, and then what if it comes down, and then what? I'm not even up for the day. I'm just gonna let stop loss hit or TP hit. That's it. This area has a lot of rejections though. But I think I'm reaching, chat. Yeah, worst case scenario, a lot of you guys are most likely in my signals, chat, so if you guys are in my signals, we'll most likely make it back in the morning, bro, so no reason to freaking be upset. 1 to 5, yeah. I hate the lower time frames, bro. Seriously. It looks absolutely terrible. But the higher time frames still look nice because we're below this level here. I'm not even going to draw it out, though, because that's what I did. Dollar, if you go down to the 1% to start the week and take next trade, you win. Do you get a... Yes. Yes, that's a good question, bro. Yeah. I do, bro. I do, bro. Especially to start the week, you'll see me do that a lot. In Chicago. Kill a sorrow. What's your problem? I was in the dark room. Dude, this is looking just like yesterday, bro. Literally just like yesterday, bro. Erica, don't repeat. Then I'm not sick. I low-key knew it. Once we start to break these highs, bro, I was like, oh my god, bro. Weak candle closure here to start the market, to start London Open. I fucking had a feeling, bro. I just joined, but I don't have access to the group. Well, how does that make any sense? If you got it, you should see it in your WAP, bro. Look, we're gonna watch this shit up close, chat. See what happens. 5% spread on my broker saves me from trading oil. Nice. Nice eat. Look at my nose. Can't drink. That's crazy. We're about to engulf this whole hourly fucking time frame, bro. That's sickening. Once we break this high, bro, it's just gonna fucking rip. How you baby sitting on it 2 or 3 shots? I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. We need a massive nut right now. That'd be so fire. When you start drawing trend lines and shit. You trade EN? Yeah, sometimes, bro. I'm looking for EN sells underneath these lows, bro. 30, yeah. Hey. So hello, sit your pretty ass in the door. Bro, what is up with this bullshit, bro? Oil's getting me tight, chat. Like, it's seriously getting me tight, bro. 2 days in a row, it's on some fucking bullshit. EN could potentially see, you could pretty much see a pretty nice entry here on EN. Strip club and bands on. I get high with my baby. I be in the kitchen fly with my baby, yeah. I be in the kitchen getting high with my baby, yeah. Look at this 30 closure, chat. That looks absolutely fucking terrible. JPY simple. Gold simple, JPY simple. Oil's a little bitch. I agree. We might just have to retire oil here, man. Even if we fucking win, to be honest. Because oil is an annoying little freaking bitch here for the past 2 days. Maybe take a little oil break, chat. Buy myself a Tesla, vibe it out. Maybe. Like, all these little moves to the downside just for it to fucking fly up, bro. I don't get it. New 30-minute candle is gonna come, probably break the fucking highs, and then fucking bleed. I'll be in again, man, blind with my baby on. At least it's reacting at your resistance. Yeah, but I didn't even want the trade to come all the way up here, to be honest. I just wanted to fucking bleed. I really don't think that we're going to survive this next 30-minute wick. If we close up here, especially. Because remember, the 30-minute candle has to come up. Bro, look at the 30-minute time frame, though. Like, 30-minute bullish engulfing, like, massive, bro. This is not what I wanted to see. What happened to your IG, bro? I'm not on IG anymore, man. It's to a whole nother domain. I'm a living proof. I can make a move. I was overdue. Pink Molly. I can barely move. I don't think we're gonna survive this top wick, chat. Seriously, I don't think so. We gotta survive this top wick on the 30. What's my stop loss at, chat? 28, yeah. I don't think we're gonna survive this top wick, chat. Look at the 30, bro. Look at that fucking closure on the 30-minute time frame, bro. That is the worst closure that we could ask for, bro. Seriously, like, it does not get worse than that. We need a prayer. Yo, facts. It go down. It go down. I knew we weren't gonna survive this top wick, bro. That's so annoying, bro. Oil is so annoying. I'm still in the trade, bro. I needed to break this high here. Still in, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna come up and break the fucking high. That's my stop loss. I'm not getting out at that fucking high, to be honest. Risking one more tick here. Most likely gonna hit it either way, bro, but it's fine. Down. Yeah. There, I'm out, chat. It's out. I got out. Watch it drop now, chat. we just swept Asia highs. If it drops now, bro, I'll be so upset, honestly. But yeah, that's it for me and oil, bro. I'm definitely not gonna look to trade oil for the rest of this week, chat. At least for the rest of this week. We'll be sticking to our, you know, regular gold shit. Maybe some EN shit. Maybe some NASDAQ. US 30's been treating us very nice. GJ has also been treating us very nice. If I can freaking find a setup on it. I just haven't really seen anything too clear. GU has also been treating us pretty nice. Dude, oil has just been flip-flopping as fuck, bro. Yeah, so oil, not it tonight. Not it tonight on oil, chat. Unfortunately. Bro, watch us wake up on oil, bro, and that should just freaking be all the way down here, bro. The same thing that happened to us yesterday. Come up, and then for New York session, it will drop by Christmas time. Alright, so you think I should hold? Where's my mod? Crazy, I got you, bro. But yeah, bro, I think that's it for me for tonight, man. Why didn't we wait for the break? Is she going to go down? Yeah, I mean, you can wait for the break. I think she's gonna go down too, bro, but I don't like this 30-minute candle. I'm not gonna sell against this 30-minute candle. Especially after breaking highs. I would need to wait for a candle closure to come down and show me momentum to the downside to then sell to go deeper. Think of the crazy win streak you've had in the past few weeks. No, I know, facts. That's why I'm not tripping, bro. The win streak is right around the corner, bro. So we're just, look, whenever this is low-key considered, like, because when I go on losing streaks, I don't lose, like, back to back to back to back to back. Like, usually my losing streaks are like, I win one trade, lose one trade, lose two trades, win one trade, lose two trades, win another trade, win one trade, lose one trade. It's never like I'm gonna lose like fucking 10, 15 trades in a row. So I just have to, the whole point is to survive the win one, lose one stage, and then when the win streak does come, that's when I make most of my profits. You caught him by Rupert. He probably already has spiders. That's just been up for like over a year now, to be honest. But yeah, boys, I think we fucking killed it tonight. I mean, not really kill it. I wouldn't say kill it. I probably should have just gotten out here like Derska said. Shout out to Durska though. He did get on my nerves tonight, but hey, it's part of the game. Win rate over half. What do you mean win rate over half? What do you mean by that? If you guys do want to make this loss back with us, just make sure you guys are joining the free Telegram and then join the signals, bro, because we're definitely gonna make it back in the morning, bro. So just know that. Don't say I didn't warn you guys. And yeah, just join up. If you guys do want a promo code, just DM me on Telegram and I'll get you guys taken care of. WTI was long trade. Yeah, we clearly have buys above here too. But yeah, dude, I really think that what happened on this trade was this shoulder, and then just a fake out to the downside to then break highs. That's a pretty nice setup though. It's alright, we'll put it behind us, chat. My DM me dollars for a signal. Alright, let's do it. But yeah, we'll make it back tomorrow, chat. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you guys are gonna be here tomorrow, wait, what's tomorrow? Is tomorrow Wednesday? Is today Tuesday? Yeah, today's Tuesday. Wednesday, and then Thanksgiving. I don't know if I'm gonna do a stream on Thursday, chat, just because I might be with my family and shit. Hope you guys can understand that. And then it's Friday the next day, so most likely tomorrow will be the last stream of the week, and tomorrow will most likely be my last trading day for the week. So right now I'm currently down 1%, chat, full transparency, down 1% on the week. We lost yesterday on oil, got it back on US 30, lost today on oil, so now it's our job to freaking make it back. I really want a banger tomorrow in the morning, bro. Maybe a freaking 1 to 2 trade, 1 to 3 trade would be beautiful. But I'll keep you guys posted on that. You guys know. Chat, another thing I wanted to ask you guys, now that the main people that watch us are here and the other people left. Bro, should I bring back the recap videos that I used to do, like not the over edited stuff, just like me sitting at my computer, just so you guys know what we did for both sessions? Or do you guys not want me to do that? No, facts, just yeah, bro. And I made like fucking 12% last week. No, 8% last week, 12% the week before that, bro. I'm chilling, dude. Like, for real, guys. You guys should be up too. Like, if you guys have been watching us for the past, 3 weeks or 4 weeks that we've been live now, bro, there's no way that you guys are down if you're taking all my trades, bro. There's no way. And if you guys have consistent risk, there's absolutely no way. But yeah, bro, this is just the reality of trading, chat. Like, I just try to show you guys the truth, man. It happens. We lose, we win, but we're overall fucking profitable. You know what I mean? Okay, you want them back? All right. So I'll make sure to do those starting next week. I'll do them for you, which would pretty much be like a signal breakdown and then live stream breakdown if we did take a trade during live stream. I still think this is gonna go bearish as fuck, but we'll see. Maybe confirmations underneath here would be nicer, but we are bouncing off the daily level here, so just keep that in mind. Daily level, and we could potentially see this area here tap into before we drop. But we'll find out. But I appreciate the support. I love you guys, man. And I'm sorry for this loss. Well, I shouldn't even be sorry, bro. This is just the reality of fucking trading, chat. If you guys don't like it, you shouldn't be trading, all right? But I appreciate the support. I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.